Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at a Maid Cafe. This cafe is in Akihabara, yes. And I ordered my food, so I'm waiting on it to come so you guys can see what I got. I ordered curry, chicken curry, and melon soda.
When you
drink this movie, you say moi.
What?
Okay.
Moi water, okay.
Yeah, water.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, melon soda also meow meow.
Meow
Meow
meow.
meow, thank you.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, master meow meow.
Meow meow.
Yeah, thank you. So, let's make a heart.
Heart.
And say moi moi to this drink. Okay? This magical word is more become delicious magic. Okay? Okay, one.
So when you say what?
Moi moi kyun. Moi kyun. Okay?
Nui Q.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2. Moi.
Moi. Cute.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So this is my friend Lloyd. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Lloyd.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Okay.
Out here living my best life, you know.
I hear you. So yeah, as I said, we're at the Maid Cafe, and right now we're the only persons in here. Yeah.
And they have us doing stuff like all this cutesy stuff. Moi moi kyun. I just learned that word.
I got this souvenir from the Maid Cafe. What did you get, Lloyd? Show
I
them.
also got this souvenir. The white rabbit.
So you got the pink one?
No, it's white. It's white.
That's white and pink.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Don't
so
judge.
girly.
Not
That's
judge me.
very
Not judge
girly.
me.
Okay. Alright.
It's from my little sister.
Whatever you say.
Oh, arigatou gozaimasu.
美味しくなるお待ちのするのでハートお願いいたします。美味しくなれ。もえもえキュン。オッケー、ありがとうございます。
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Oh, that's a cat face.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yours got faces on it too.
Yeah. Okay, so I got curry chicken. Chicken curry is what they call it in Japan. So we're gonna dig in. So what's that? Omelette rice with is it tomato sauce?
Chili.
Oh, chili sauce. My meal thing is not showing.
出るかにゃーにゃにか出るかにゃ。Oh, boss! Canvas for you! ありがとうございます。Same color? Same red one?
Okay, thank
Here
you.
one. The please open and press.
I got these guys.
ご主人様ニャンニャンチャレンジしてみませんか？はい、じゃあご主人様ニャンニャンチャレンジしてみませんか？
I think you like pulled that one after the performance.
Can you imagine that they actually added these two items to our bill? Yes, they added it and they made it look as if we were gonna get it for free. Okay. gonna rain and I didn't carry any umbrella.
Yeah, so you put a coin in and you move the claw. Oh no, you have to like hold it down to like where you want to like stop.
Say just one move and that's it?
Yeah. Dude.
Waste
So
of
close.
freaking money.
So close.
Waste of money.
Make sure you aim it at someone. Throw it. Throw the shell.
What do I do?
Press the blue button. Last lap.
Am I the winner?
You won. Alright, like press this to flash them and like you get them.
Why would I go in there? Anyways, let me get
I'm trying to get that money.
your name.
I'm dead.
So you died before me. Hey guys, I'm almost home. I stopped at the supermarket because I'm not leaving my house tomorrow. Anyways, I just want to touch on the Maid Cafe. The Maid Cafe was very cringy. So, for example, when you wanted to say like, excuse me, like you want to signal to one of the waitress, you had to say meow meow. And some other crazy stuff. When you get your food, you have to say some Japanese stuff. So I'm like, okay. And not only that, you had to pay to go in. So it was about 800 yen to get in. Plus the food was very expensive. So it was like 2,000 plus for the food. And then they gave us some little gadgets. And we thought that it was free. But these people included it in the bill. So they didn't say they were gonna charge us, they included it in the bill. So I would say that that cafe is very expensive or very tricky, but I don't regret going, of course, because I try not to live my life with regrets. But I don't think if I go back, I don't think I'll go back to that one, but I'll definitely like try a different Maid Cafe. Oh, that's my convenience store that I usually go to. Yeah, and I need to go get some drinking water, some bottled water, because I'm out. But I need to put on these bags first. I'm tired. Yeah, so calling it a night. Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what videos you want to see from me. Thanks for the support and I'll see you next time. Bye.